Let's cook rice cooker sardine rice today. Ingredients are sardine fish, onion, carrot, and button mushrooms, sliced onion, and cubes carrots. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Stir fry onion until translucent, then add carrot and button mushrooms. Season with salt and turmeric powder to taste, then add rice and stir fry. Scramble darting sardines and add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Sprinkle black pepper powder and add enough water. Place sardine on rice and start cooking. Mix rice when cooked and plate it. Now let's enjoy plate of yummy sardine turmeric rice. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.